Ever wonder how that crisp, refreshing lettuce in your salad came to be? It all starts with humble seeds and a patch of land. Lettuce, a staple in our diets, plays a pivotal role in our daily life. Its nutritional benefits are numerous, a rich source of vitamins A and K and a good provider of fiber. But beyond its health benefits, lettuce is a culinary chameleon, enhancing a myriad of dishes with its fresh, crunchy texture and subtle flavor. Yet, have you ever stopped to consider the journey this versatile vegetable makes before it lands on your plate? Well, it's quite the tale. Lettuce farming, a critical sector in agriculture, ensures the steady supply of this leafy green to our tables. It's a fascinating world, a blend of tradition and innovation, of patience and hard work. So let's dive into the fascinating journey of a lettuce seed turning into the leafy greens we all adore. The journey of lettuce from seed to salad begins with the right planting conditions. Lettuce seeds are sown in well-draining soil, a condition that allows water to circulate effectively around the roots. A soil that is too wet can lead to root rot, while one that is too dry can stunt growth. Ideal planting conditions also include cooler weather, as lettuce seeds thrive in temperatures between 45 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. That's why many gardeners choose to plant their lettuce in the early spring or late fall when the climate is just right. Next, it's crucial to space the seeds adequately apart. This allows each plant to grow to its full potential without competing for space with its neighbors. Once our seeds are in place, we wait for the magic to happen. It takes about 7 to 10 days for lettuce seeds to germinate and start their journey towards becoming full-grown plants. With the seeds snug in the soil, our lettuce plants are ready to start their growth journey. With the seeds planted, it's time to nurture them into full-grown lettuce plants. This stage, known as the growth phase, is where our lettuce really starts to come to life. Watering is crucial during this period. Lettuce plants love moisture, but too much can lead to root rot, so it's about finding that perfect balance. Regular weeding is also necessary to ensure the plants have enough space to grow and flourish. Another key aspect of this phase is keeping an eye out for any potential threats. This could be anything from pests, like aphids and slugs, to diseases, such as mildew and rot. As the weeks pass, you'll see the lettuce plants gradually develop their characteristic rosette of leaves. Each leaf, a testament to your careful attention and nurturing. And it's not long before the transformation is complete. In just a few weeks, our lettuce plants have transformed from tiny seeds into lush, leafy greens. Now that our lettuce plants are mature, it's time for the most satisfying part of the process, the harvest. Harvesting lettuce is a delicate task, executed with care. The plants are cut at the base, leaving the roots in the soil. This method ensures that the lettuce retains its freshness for longer. Once harvested, the lettuce undergoes post-harvest treatment. It's washed thoroughly to remove any dirt or insects. Post-wash, the lettuce is swiftly cooled to maintain its crispness and prolong its shelf life. This cooling process is crucial as it slows down the respiration rate of the lettuce, keeping it fresher for longer. Packaging is the final step in the process. The lettuce is gently placed into packaging, taking care to prevent any bruising. Remember, lettuce is a tender leafy vegetable and needs to be handled with the utmost care. With the lettuce harvested and processed, it's ready to be shipped off to markets and restaurants. Our lettuce's journey doesn't end at the farm gate. It still has a way to go before it lands in your salad bowl. Once harvested and packaged, these leafy greens embark on a new adventure. They're transported, sometimes across vast distances, to reach wholesalers and retail markets. This is a critical phase, as maintaining the cold chain is paramount to preserving the lettuce's freshness and nutritional value. Imagine trucks equipped with refrigeration, ferrying our lettuce to its next destination. These could be your local supermarkets, restaurants, or even school cafeterias. Each stop is a potential home for our lettuce, a place where it can finally fulfill its destiny of becoming part of a delicious meal. But this isn't just about delivering a product. It's about ensuring that you get the best quality lettuce, fresh and full of nutrients. The next time you enjoy a refreshing lettuce salad, remember the journey it took from seed to table. Enjoy your greens.